Hello, crafty friends. Day number 12 of our Advent calendar. Let's get straight into opening it. There's something lumpy in here. That's the best way I can describe it. Let's pull it out and ooh, we have got ourselves, looks like a whole heap of beautiful white satin ribbon. I'm going to untwist it and have a closer look at it. So yes, there is a lot, a whole lot, which would be awesome for doing lots of projects. And the great thing about white ribbon is that we can colour it with our alcohol markers, different coloured inks, and so many more mediums. Well, that was great. Look forward to using it. See you next time. Until then, bye bye for now.